The lady from Uncle. International Affairs. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at how to remove Gmail from your Google account. And for that, I'm signed in to my test account, and I'm going to click on the avatar at the top right hand side, and I'm going to opt to go to Google account. And on Google account, I'm going to go to data and personalization. And scrolling right down as far as download, delete, or make a plan for your data, I'm going to pick delete a service or your account. And I'm not deleting the entire Google account, I am just deleting a service because Gmail is just a service on your Google account. I will be asked to sign in with my password again, and that's just to make sure that I have the authority to do what I'm doing. And I have the option here to click on the waste bin next to Gmail, which is the only service I currently have on this Google account. It's going to ask me how I'm going to sign into my Google account in future. Now, this particular Google account started life as a third-party email using Google account, and therefore has already got an alternative email address, which I can choose to use. So if you were, say, starting as I have done with a third-party email using Google account, you add Gmail as a service, you decide you want to delete Gmail, you would then be able to revert back to using your primary or rather your original third-party email address as the primary username, which is what I'm going to opt to do. But you do have the option here to enter a new email address. Now, the only thing I'm going to say about this here is that the new email address that you would enter here would have to be unique to this particular Google account. In other words, it cannot already be in use by a different Google account as a sign-in name. And that is simply because you can't sign into two different Google accounts with one email address. So I'm going to pick my original primary email address, that's skitchelmark2@yahoo.com. I'm going to click on next. And I have to read through this. It's not the usual yada yada. And basically I'm being told here I will no longer be able to send or receive or access email from my Gmail account. I have to make sure that I have updated it everywhere, because once I've lost it, I've lost it. And I'm being told here that when I delete Gmail, my mailbox will be closed and all of its contents will be permanently deleted, and that I will lose access to my email address within 2 business days. So I have to be clear that that is really what I want to do. So yes, I want to proceed with that and delete Gmail. And if I then click on the top right hand side on my avatar, I'll still see the Gmail listed there, but if I were to refresh that, you will see that the email has reverted to the original primary email address, which was the third-party email address. So that is how you safely remove Gmail from your Google account. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.